Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we have a guest, Dr. Yamin Ahmed, who have done notable and prominent works in the field of artificial intelligence. He will explain what is artificial intelligence and in its implements in various fields. Dr. Yamin Ahmed, thank you for joining us. Can you simply define and explain what is AI, artificial intelligence?
As we all know, AI, artificial intelligence, is a development of computer science which can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence like learning, decision making, problem solving. The intelligence in AI refers to machine's ability to make decide based on the information given. Humans are called intelligent because they can decide independently based on their environment. The concept of AI is not new in this era. If we look through history, in the Greek mythology, there are several examples for metallic humans, which currently known as robots. Talos, one of the famous among Greek history, is a guardian of Greek city. Nowadays, AI is used in every field we see.
So, can you explain the types of AI based on its function?
Based on functionality of AI system, there are four types: reactive machines, limited memory AI system, theory, and self-aware AI system. The reactive machines are basics of AI system. It performs tasks which are based on the information given. They cannot perform from their previous data. Deep Blue AI, which defeated a grandmaster in 1996, is an example for reactive AI machines. And limited memory is an upgraded version of reactive AI system. It can and perform tasks based on their previous data, but they have limited memories. The system we use, the system AI system we use now, such as ChatGPT, are limited memory system. Theory of mind. This is only theoretical as of now, but this system, which helps which helps AI to understand human behavior, human emotion as such. As for self-aware AI, it is a threat to human, and it is impossible as of now.
As you explained, there is various types of different types of field can be used by AI. Can you explain what is some of advantages and its usage?
Nowadays, if we look around our surrounding, every field uses AI system. In medical field, in engineering field, and banking, etc. If we look medical field, the AI system helps and make easier to diagnose and treatment. It helps to collect data, analyze the results, etc. In the field of banking, nowadays banks are online and there rises many problems like money laundering, fake payment, etc. And the AI helps to prevent such problems. And every data these days are stored in digital format, and these raises a major threat, leakage of data as such, and the AI helps to prevent such leakage, etc.
Sir, can you about to discuss concern that arises when a implemented?
Implementation of AI arise many concerns in the ethical field. One of the major among is job displacement. As of now, everyone has job, but if the AI is implemented in every field, there will be a lack of job and employment will be arising. And another concern is, as the data are stored digitally, there arise a threat of leakage and theft.
Okay, what if what you said is right, then what will the future of AI? Future of AI.
In 2018, well-known venture capitalist Dr. Kai-Fu Lee said, AI is going to change the world more than anything in history of mankind. If we look around us, we can see every field uses AI, such as robotics, machine learning, etc. And in the future, there will be several AI, such as uh, robotics car that will be driven without drivers, etc.
So you are saying that it will be a threat. It will be a threat, and same time it will be usage for humans. Right?
Yes. Based on the usage of AI, we can understand. Based on the usage of AI, we will know how the AI will become threat and how they will help us, how they will help to thrive human.
Thank you for joining us. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.